Hi everybody, it's me, your neighbor Floof the Cat here, back with another video. Okay, wait. How dare you, Flack? Anyways, as I was saying, look how creepy this Zyos sculpture is in the Lost Temple of Zyos. Am I right? Alright, let's move on to the main point of this video. Me and my twin sister up here. Here she is. Alright, she's saying hi to the camera. I told her I was recording, telling her about the video idea. Yeah, she's right. I need to unbuddy her because it'd be... Okay, never mind, she unbuddied me. Because it would be cheating if the other one followed the buddy. Really? You gotta go BRB in the middle of my video? This is gonna take forever. Alright. Really? Well. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that did not work out. Sorry that it did not work out. It was my sister's fault. Anyways, don't report her for any odd reason. She just chose that to be a bit funny, tricky, if you know what I mean. I'm planning on doing a Q&A for you all. If you watch this video, go comment down below some questions you want me to answer in my next video on Q&As. I'll be more than happy to answer them as long as they follow a few rules that I will tell you right about now. No inappropriate ones, no mean ones, and lastly, no names or, and it can only be inside of Animal Jam, not outside, if you know what I mean. Not the real outside, like the outdoors, but you know what I mean if you watch many Animal Jam videos. And as always, peace. Oh, okay, Petey. Let's just buddy you, my little brother. Bye.